My name is Gavin Morgan and I'm the designer and creator of the plastic Pipgon. This is the plastic Pipgon. It comes in various colours. The original idea that I had was to standardise the instrument and to make it widely available for people, to try and alter some of the features to make it more efficient in terms of tuning and ease of playing. The original model was made in wood until I perfected the design that I wanted. I then moved on to engineering drawings and getting the prototype made out of a 3D model. This was produced using something called stereolithography, and that is the prototype Pipgon. The prototype horns, made in the same process, and obviously everything was checked for fitting and playability. The final model was injection molded and assembled. Finally, this plastic Pipgon comes with its own reed, which has been printed in 3D, and it's all designed to fit perfectly. It also has a plastic reed tongue. I designed a padded case for the Pipgon, which is ideal for carrying your instrument and protecting it, and for gigs, etc. It's very handy for transporting the instrument safely. This case can also be used for other big gear.